Hey guys, welcome back to DeFi Passive Income. So today we are taking a look over yet another baked beans fork, and this one is called roast beef. So roast beef, the BNB reward pool with 10% daily return and 13% referral rewards and the lowest developer fee. So currently there are 6,673 BNBs in the contract and their daily return is 10% with APR of 3,650 and developer fee is 3%. So what happens in these types of protocols, suppose if you commit your 1 BNB over here, that 1 BNB will be converted into beef and this 1 BNB will be our sunk cost, which means you cannot withdraw it as it is. The only way you can get that back is through the daily rewards. So this 1 BNB will be converted into beef, and the more number of beef that you have, the more number of rewards it will generate for you in the form of BNB per day. So these protocols basically works on the strategy of 6:1, which means you will compound 6 days a week and take your rewards on the 7th day. So suppose if you are depositing 1 BNB on Monday, then on Tuesday you will come at the same time, you will click on the re-roast button, which is basically the recompound button, and you will keep doing this until Saturday. But on Sunday you will come at the same time and you will click on the eat beef button, and it will take the rewards that are generated on Sunday and that will be sent to your MetaMask wallet or any other wallet. Now keep in mind that you cannot take your rewards daily, because if you do so, then the contract will punish you and your daily return would be decreased to like say 3% or 4%. So the game in these types of protocols is to stick to 6:1 strategy, and by following this strategy you can get your ROI back in 6 to 8 weeks. Now this protocol is really new with 6,677 BNBs in the contract. Now going over to their white paper, innovative DeFi on Binance Smart Chain and up to 10% daily return, fully verified and audited contract. What is the price of the beef? Beef do not have a set price. Higher total value logged means more beef per BNB and lower total value logged means less beef per BNB. And your daily returns would be 10%. This depends on eating habits, the time of day you re-roast, or deposit and TVL fluctuation. Average daily return is 7 to 10%. Okay, so what happens if I always eat? If you always eat, your daily percentage will drop dramatically and will not receive the highest daily returns. This is the anti-whale mechanism that prevents a whale from draining the total value locked. So coming over to the fees, there is 3% developer fee taken upon all deposits and withdraw from roast beef miner. And again, what is the best strategy? It is the one that I have told you earlier in the video. We recommend the tried and tested method as it is written in the contract. Re-roast 6 days and eat 1 day a week. It will compound your investment and receive your initial back in 3 to 5 weeks. So guys, I'll leave all the links down in the description box below. You can go through them yourselves and try to read as much as you can and do your own research. Now coming over to their audit, they have been audited by Haze Crypto. Now there is one high issue, and that issue is the system used is called ROI and must be considered as high risk. Users' principal deposit cannot be withdrawn. Users can get dividends and referral commission. Okay, so basically they are saying that whatever amount you commit over here, you cannot get it back as it is. The only way that you can get it back is through the daily rewards. So guys, this is it. This is the roast beef miner. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. I hope you have liked the content. If yes, please do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more future videos like this.